Hey, this is Mr. Biz. After talking and getting to know some of you guys over the last 3 days, um, and then looking at my Google Classrooms, the numbers are a little bit lower than I hoped for. So remember, on Monday we are going to get started on our online format. Okay, so basically Mondays we will issue out a health lesson, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, depending on what group you got assigned to. You will be doing PE only during those times. For you online kids who have opted out, we will kind of work with us because right now there's so many moving parts and it seems like it's ever changing. And Monday and Tuesday we were told as long as they were a few distance, 6 feet apart, we were good. But it's been just a ongoing changing, ever changing format for school. So um, online only kids, we will get to you, but just kind of work and be patient with me. Okay, but just want to give you a heads up. Last week I sent out a welcome letter and information to all the school email accounts for 8th grade. So if you're in 8th grade, we were given a list of all the email, and I was able to send out this letter, and it has this heading here, welcome letter and information. So please click on that, and then you'll get to read this right here. So basically, and it just says here, I have attached a digital letter and kind of give you more information. And what I like about this is you got these two links. So the first link is, I'm going to click on it here. Basically kind of just goes over our PE and health expectations. All you have to do is hit play, and he will, hey, this is Mr. Bit, and we'll go over that. So I don't want to go into that so much, but take a few minutes, read over that, because we will, all your information should be in there. Right here is what's really important, welcome letter for families. And if you click on it, it kind of lays out for some guidance and direction for you guys. So please have your parents read that, and we'll go from there. Now right below here is the class links and code. Here is the code for each class. So if you got assigned to the gray class, here's your code. White class, code. Red class, code. And then online only. If you opted out just for online only, that's your class code. I also attached the links to each of that. So if you're in a red class and you click on the red link, it actually takes you to the online only, the health and PE for red days. So, and we'll just kind of go from there. And again, if I pick the gray class link, it takes you to the gray. Now notice nothing changed. Everything's changed. Everything is the same in all of the classrooms. So even your online classroom, it looks exactly the same. But I just want to make sure that you guys, the only difference is you're going to see online only and gray, and then you're going to see red. And if we had picked out white, you would notice that as well. So everything is going to get posted on the Google Classroom, and we'll go from there. We'll have things posted, and I'll let you guys see it. But real quick, I just want to kind of run through this. For every unit that we do, I will have it listed. So right now our first unit is called Health and Wellness. Our first lesson is going to be what is health and the objectives for the lesson. So now this is just lesson 1. The next following Monday will be lesson 2. And then, obviously so forth and so forth. But we're going to have objectives for each lesson. So this one is identifying the 4 parts of health and explaining how these 4 parts affect our wellness. This is important because if you click on this link, this is your book that you're going to read for the lesson. Straight down here is everything that you will need for your reading material. If you click on this link right here. What this does, it actually, and I'm just going to fast forward a little bit, but this will actually...
Hygiene is the practice of keeping yourself clean. For example, washing your hands before eating is good hygiene. Avoiding alcohol, drugs, and tobacco.
So as you guys can see, it actually does narrate the book for you. So you know, if you struggle with reading, you need a little assistance, or you just want to listen to it, please click on that as well. And that's just an added thing that we wanted to, that I put on there for you. So you know, hopefully utilize it. And this is just the PowerPoint or the slide presentation of the lesson. Okay, usually if I was up in the classroom and I just have this up here, and I would be talking about each of these slides as I went through them. Okay, so, but there's just another resource for you. Okay, now you're going to see more and more added to this lesson. I just wanted to show you the book and the slide, but you will also find your assessment there, and all you have to do on that, and you know what, I'm going to kind of give you an example. And most of you guys should already know, but let's just say, for example, and I'm going to do one of my 8th grade lessons. So if I wanted to give you guys this this particular lesson, so what it would look like is this. You would just put your name. You would come down here and put the period that you're in. So if you're in 3rd period, please click on 3rd period. Then at this point, all you would have to do is just click on whatever answer you have. And I'm going to show you something here. And I don't know the answers. I mean, I do know the answers, but I'm just clicking on here just so that we have some sort of, you know, and let's go here. So after you're done, please make sure that you, oh, by the way, let's get to this first. It is important that you put your name here. So my name is Jonathan Bissonette. Make sure that you put your name on the form. Otherwise, when it does come to me and there's no name, I can't give credit. So if you get an F and you're like, Mr. Biz, I know I did it, I know I got 100%, but it says 0 on it, well, chances are, double check it before you hit submit and make sure you write your name down. Okay, so let's just go through it real quick. If you hit submit, and then you can come over, your response has been recorded, view accuracy, okay, and it will tell you whether or not you got it wrong or right. Okay, if you see an X, that means you got it wrong. If you got a green mark, you got it right. Okay, so as you can see, I got more wrongs than right, and there's no reason for you guys to accept anything less than 100%. Okay, so on your other form, it says submit another response. Please click on that and just submit another response. So basically, that's I guess I just wanted to kind of give you guys a heads up on what to expect, because again, on Monday we're going to issue out the health lesson, but you're not going to have any time to do it in class. It's something that's done all online. But on the days that you are here, remember to bring your PE clothes, and because we will be outside as much as we possibly can, because again, we want PE to be we know that this year is going to be kind of stressful and ever changing, but the only thing that we can try to do is make sure that PE is a fun experience for you. So with that being said, I hope you guys have a great year, and I'll see you guys next week.